Hey guys, I'm back with a new video on my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. So I'm very excited to dive back into all of this fun stuff. I have new eyeshadow palettes to play with, and I did not do a Valentine's Day look last year, so that's new to me 100%. So we're gonna hop into this video, and I hope you guys like what I come up with. Let's just hop right in.
Alright, I was not kidding when I said we're hopping into this video. I already got the liquid latex out. So you're gonna need your Q-tip ready in hand and sketch out that red heart. Alright, so with that handy dandy Q-tip, you're just gonna dip that into your liquid latex and then apply said latex to your face. Also, don't be afraid to stray away from the lines. Think of it as if it's parlay. They're more so like guidelines more than they are actual rules. Should we speed up? I think so. So don't forget to get your cotton balls. That's going to be a very important step because obviously without the cotton balls you won't be building anything on your face. So you're going to glue cotton balls to your face pretty much in the shape of a heart. So much fun. Trish, why you look so serious? So once you're about done, you're just going to let that latex dry, and we are going to move on to eyeshadow. So I have it's my Ray Ray palette and the NYX Swear By It palette. I'm dipping my brush into shade 18 from the NYX Swear By It palette. It's that kind of pinkish, maroonish type color, or is it mauve? Let's call it mauve, but it's not purple. Hannah Montana taught me that mauve is purple. So now I dip the brush into shade 40, which is the black shade, and I'm just making it a deeper color, and then I'm gonna cut my crease. Alright, now I'm using a smaller brush, and I've dipped that into it's my Ray Ray palette, and we are using shade Angel, and we're just covering our entire eyelid. Have you guys ever seen me perform magic? So now that our liquid latex heart has dried on our right cheek, you can go ahead and start concealing that to make it blend in with the rest of your skin. For some reason, I forgot that we were going to be using the Makeup Forever Flash Palette, so I dipped my brush into the red shade, and obviously, hearts are red. And I also dipped my brush back into the black eyeshadow. I just ran it over the red in certain places of the heart to give it more depth. So on the left cheek, we're not doing another gore heart, we're just drawing on a normal heart. And I had originally drawn out a heart with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and packed on eyeshadow on top of it, and that was not going well. So later in a clip you will see me going over it with the like magenta shade from the Makeup Forever Flash palette and cream paint because it wasn't working. Alright, now it's time for blood. Are you really doing blood right if you're not using at least 2 different kinds? Hold up, we ain't done yet.
Okay, so that completes the video. I hope you guys like this look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, get off my channel. If you want more content like this, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I post every week, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!